Underground.
Hey guys, I cut a hole in the barn so that the wood here is in the foot of a wood burning stove is right out the door. That's a pretty good idea, don't you think? I was gonna make a video on how you do that, but here, look. It's just a header sitting on a stilt the size of the rough opening. This rough opening, 7280. That's what all sliders are. Isn't that right, Jim?
That's right. And don't let anyone tell you no different, neither.
You could buy a custom one and pay 3 times as much, but why would you do that? This sliding glass door is probably, I think I paid $500. You'll see it when it's in. I'll splice it together. But I had to take some wainscoting off, cut the metal out here, and so soon we'll be all winterproof here and I can do the siding up, and that will be pimping. Alright, we'll be back shortly. Looks a little bit like snow. Yo. So, Jim and I got the door over here. Cheapest door on the market is also the heaviest. We had to walk it some couple feet. So, once your rough opening is the exact size and square-ish, which is 7280 for a rough opening here, that gives us an inch of play up top and a ½ inch on the side. Have some shims prepared for leveling this in. And then what I recommend is that the door side that opens here, that's the side you focus on for your plumb. The door opening side. If that's plumb, then you can move to the base and make sure the base is level. Then you should have a perfect 90. You can measure the diagonals and then you can shim the rest of it in and put it in. I'll show you what that is after I put it in. When you get one of these doors, you have to take it all apart, and then there's usually a base plate here that needs to be removed. Do not install your door with this 2x4 in, or everyone will make fun of you. So that's critical. So I just removed that. I'm going to remove the handles, and Jim and I are going to pop this in the hole. Stick it right in the hole. I've forgot all about daylight savings and all that hokey shit, but that's pretty. You all right, Jim? So the door's in. It's not fully shimmed and leveled, but it's in temporary so that tomorrow I can work on it when it's a little lighter in there. But what it does is it allows me to bring firewood directly in to the wood stove. That's a boom. Tomorrow I'll give you a little follow-up on how to shim it and how to plumb it and how to correctly install it. But it's just about there. It's off by about 1/8. And it's got to be perfect. If you want it perfect. Thanks for watching. About to light a fire.